What side of the fence are you on with Alibaba? Are you on the uncertain side, this is an uninvestable place? Or are you on the side of this might be the best opportunity ever? In this video, we're gonna get into it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Can you help me out? Thank you. I'm going to provide so much good content for you guys, man. Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and today we're talking everything Alibaba, guys. We have to look at every single way, every single opinion about what's happening with Chinese stocks, with Alibaba. Should you buy the dip? What should we do, guys? Because we want to make informed decisions on the channel. You can't be biased in these situations. So we got to look at every single angle. So what side of the fence are you standing on today? So we're going to get into it right now, guys. So I just watched this video, should investors buy the dip on Chinese stocks? And basically in this video, he's saying, do not buy the dip. You don't know what's going to happen, guys. He's saying the regulation is not done. It's going to continue. We don't know what Xi Jinping is going to do. Regulation is very strong, and it actually might change the fundamentals of these companies. Tencent, Alibaba, Baidu, Pinduoduo, JD.com. He doesn't want the government. People are saying Xi Jinping doesn't want uncontrolled capitalism right now. And that's why regulations are standing so strong. Think about it. Is this going to change the fundamentals of Alibaba? He's going to probably want more of the rich. He doesn't want just the rich billionaires making all the money and then having a lot of poor people. So he kind of wants to divide like the income. We just seen Tencent come out and say that, oh, we're giving away like 15% of our profit. Like, is that just like a tax, like a wealth tax coming out? Or is that like a new fundamental problem with all these tech stocks, which is gonna have to now give away some of their earnings? So we have to figure out which side is it right now. We don't like fully know, right? So that is bringing a lot of uncertainty with these Chinese stocks, and people are just saying we just don't know. So will these business models survive this onslaught? Xi Jinping saying, okay, Alibaba, we don't like what you're doing and how you're running your business. We're going to cancel you. Baidu, we don't like how you're so dominant. Pinduoduo, you sell too cheap. Your products are always too cheap. We don't like it. Continue on, continue on, continue on. So maybe this is the end of their business models because Xi Jinping is just very unpredictable. You don't know what the CCP is going to do. That's one way to view it, guys. The second way to view it, JP Morgan just came out and says Chinese stock sell-off is business as usual. That's what they're saying. So this is the other side of the fence, guys. So you gotta understand what side are you on, man. Guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm providing you with good content all the time. So let's get into this article. A sell-off in Chinese equities at Beijing intensifies. Its regulatory clampdown shouldn't cause an existential crisis among investors, according. It's absolutely business as usual for investing in Chinese equities. The trick is not to see each thing that China says or does as independent development. It's all piece of a bigger puzzle. And that's how the other side sees it. They see Xi Jinping doing actually good things for the economy. Like actually increasing the number of kids, closing down all those educational businesses and privatizing them because they weren't allowing more kids to actually, if you have more kids and those businesses are still there, people are going to be not wanting to have kids because it's just too expensive for education. So people see that as a good thing. People see that giving more money to the poor and actually helping the poor grow into the middle class, people see that as a good thing. So you just gotta pick your poison. What side are you on? People see that more regulation is actually to build stronger tech companies because it's not going to be just mayhem in the tech world and you can just do whatever and monopolies don't matter and you can just be dominant and stifle all competition. So they're seeing that as a good thing for China and what they're doing for the economy and everything. They understand that Xi Jinping wants this to become the #1 country. They want to see it as the growing GDP. So some people see this as just business as usual. people are just scared of what they're doing, but they don't look at it as just one independent thing continuing on. Just look at it as a big global thing, and you'll be able to take all these dips and all these crackdowns more efficiently. So what side are you on? And then there is the last section in the middle, the uncertainty part. You're in the middle. You do not know if I should invest or I shouldn't invest because I'm just uncertain of what the government might do. And that is very fair. If you think that the fundamentals of the business has changed and you're just uncertain, you can't predict the future of Alibaba, Pinduoduo, and you're just afraid to invest in it, that's okay. Avoid the companies, guys. That's your prerogative, and that's what you should do because it's your money. You don't want to lose it. So if you're just uncertain about it and you don't understand the future or what the government does, or you don't trust what the government says and the plans it has for the country, avoid investing in China. So we're gonna see, look what the best companies have been doing and how negative the sentiment is right now for China. This stock was at $202 PDD, and look at that, a 61 decrease, guys. So you see, this is really hurting a lot of investors. Look at this year. Oh, 250, all 44% decrease, guys. So you see how this is just killing investors and killing the sentiment, everything, guys. So guys, what side are you on? Are you on the this is okay, the government is gonna actually benefit the economy going forward? Are you on in the middle, you're very uncertain, you don't know what's gonna happen? Or are you on the CCP bad side? The government is killing these companies, they're gonna privatize them in the future. The VIE structure is garbage, it's ruined. You cannot invest in these companies. Guys, tell me what you think. All opinions matter in this section because this is an open discussion. We gotta talk about this stuff so you can make your best investment. This is not investment advice, but do what you have to do and buy what you have to buy, guys. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace!